My name is Rustam Stolkin. I'm Chair of Robotics at University of Birmingham. I'm also Royal Society Industry Fellow for Robotics, part embedded with the National Nuclear Lab Limited, UK. I'm Director of the National Centre for Nuclear Robotics, and I'm also the Chair of the Expert Group on Robotic and Remote Systems for the OECD's Global Nuclear Energy Agency. The National Centre for Nuclear Robotics was founded in 2017 with a £14 million grant from the Industrial Strategy Challenge Fund, originally a consortium of 8 universities. Via our Flexible Partnership Fund, we expanded to include 12 research institutions across the country from Scotland down to the south coast. In the first 3 years, we produced well over 300 peer-reviewed papers. In addition to robotics and AI and associated engineering, we also expanded to the humanities, political and social sciences, and issues of management, regulation and policy. We've delivered a very large number of world-first landmark deployments of robots on nuclear industry sites in the UK and internationally. We've also had impact across a number of other industrial sectors, and we've undertaken significant international leadership in EU robotics and also with the OECD's Global Nuclear Energy Agency. The past 3 years has seen the creation of a number of very significant robotics installations. Currently world-leading work on fully autonomous grasping and manipulation of unknown objects of arbitrary shapes from random heaps using computer vision. Another way that we can augment computer vision is with tactile sensing. Here on the right, you can see a robot feeling its way around a hexagonal bolt using its torque sensors to perceive shape. And on the bottom right, you can see that it's successfully reconstructed the hexagonal shape of the bolt head. On the left, you're seeing a very advanced dexterous hand with tactile sensor arrays, and it's making successive tactile glances of an object to gradually improve its understanding of the object shape, but at the same time it's also simultaneously refining its grasp pose to find the most robust and secure grasp while it's also exploring. So just to reiterate, we've been doing this for real. So top right is the first ever deployment in history of a autonomous AI-controlled robot arm in a radioactive environment. This is work that University of Birmingham did with National Nuclear Lab at the Preston Springfields nuclear plant, laser cutting contaminated steel. And this is using AI autonomous grasping as an operator assistance technology to aid a human during teleoperation. And on bottom left, you can see this being deployed at National Nuclear Lab's Workington site in Cumbria, controlling very heavy duty industrial manipulators. And this is a nuclear industry worker testing the system out. And this is being deployed under full nuclear safety regulation and national security regulation.